In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a text file into an Excel sheet in a nice, clean format. We'll start right from the moment you open Excel. Go ahead and launch Excel on your computer and open a new blank workbook so we can keep everything tidy and easy to see. It's always a good idea to work in a new file first, so you don't accidentally overwrite anything important. Once your blank workbook is open, look at the ribbon along the top of the screen and click on the Data tab. This is where Excel keeps all of its tools for bringing in and managing external data, including text files. Now, depending on your version of Excel, you'll either see an option called From Text, CSV, or From Text. Click that. This tells Excel that you want to import data from a text file, rather than just opening it as plain text. A file browser window will pop up. Here, navigate to the folder where your TXT file is stored. Take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the right file, especially if you have multiple similar files in the same location. Once you've found it, click on the file, then click Import or Open. Excel will now show you a preview of the data in your text file. This is where the formatting magic happens. Instead of dumping everything into one column, we're going to tell Excel exactly how to separate the data into neat columns. Look for the section that says something like Delimiter or Separated by. Common choices are comma, tab, semicolon, or space. Select the delimiter that matches how your text file is structured. For example, if the values are separated by commas, choose comma. As you change the delimiter, watch the preview at the bottom and make sure the columns line up the way you expect. Next, you can fine-tune the data types for each column. Click on a column in the preview and choose whether it should be treated as text, a number, a date, or left as general. This step helps avoid issues like dates being misinterpreted or long numbers being rounded. When everything looks good in the preview, click Load or Finish. Excel will import the data into your worksheet, placing each piece of information into its own column according to the rules you just set. From here, you can adjust column widths, apply filters, or format headers to make the sheet even easier to read. And that's all it takes to bring a TXT file into Excel in a clean, professional format.